getting money, boy. He done bought the best of the best. He finna tear that left lane up. Who that, Travis? Oh yeah, he finna tear him up. Ah, dang. Man, 460. 460 with an O. Okay. We got Michael House. I think, yeah. He got nitrous outlet. Okay, let's see what he got. 2J Fab. He got a nitrous outlet plate. He got an O's performance motor. Okay. Okay, let me see what he's working with. Oh man. He ain't got nothing. Damn. I guess. My theory, the right lane supposed to win, but let's see, y'all. Oh, that 70 ain't finna get it. Left lane for the win with a 468. He almost ran us. Oh, nah, this is a different class. That Mike can get it in this class. Oh. Hey, y'all. Hey! Nice burnout. Got no stickers. See, I'ma go with the one look like he spent the most money. That's him. He spent a lot of money on that paint job. Oh, boy over here making more noise though. Somebody had said I put money in the wrong place, but I put it in the right place. Do you hear me? I told y'all, the one who spent the most money. Right lane, he had that paint job. That paint job won him that one. Gave him an extra 8 horsepower. that many stickers. I can't see him with it. Let me see something. Oh yeah, this one hurt. Ooh wee. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh man. God, I can't say nothing now. It might be the other side. I don't know. Man, well, this is a janky race for me. I don't know what. Damn. Well, I guess I'll take the lighter car, y'all. I'm gonna take the Mustang. It's lighter. That Mustang lightweight. Oh, left lane for the win. I knew I picked the right one. Y'all seen how I did that, boy? All you gotta do is look at them stickers. Them stickers gonna tell you, boy. Them stickers gonna tell you. Hey, look out, y'all. The people that's watching on TikTok, man, y'all can check out my YouTube channel, man. See it in a way better vision, man. I got 1080p going on YouTube. Man, on this one, I don't know. On top, I think I want that one over there, y'all. I know I just walked over here, but I don't know. I don't like that paint job that much. I'm gonna bet with the paint job. They ain't spending that much money on the paint job over there. They spent that money right here. Oh yeah, and he got a roofing company. Oh yeah, they spending that money. They spending it. I got this side. I got this side. They ain't about no good paint over there. If they would've got a base coat, clear coat, I would've bet it with them. Excuse me. My prediction would have been